For homeowners in the villages, comfort and cost savings go hand in hand. One of the most effective ways to achieve both is through high-quality window replacement and upgraded doors. Outdated or poorly insulated windows and doors allow drafts, heat transfer, and rising energy bills. By choosing modern solutions, residents can significantly improve their home's energy efficiency while enjoying lasting savings. The problem with outdated windows and doors: older windows and doors often lack proper insulation, leaving small gaps and cracks that allow conditioned air to escape. In Florida's warm climate, this means your air conditioner works overtime to keep indoor temperatures cool. The result? Higher monthly utility bills and unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. Additionally, outdated windows may have single panes of glass or warped frames that fail to block out UV rays and humidity. This not only makes your living space less comfortable but can also cause damage to furniture, flooring, and fabrics over time. Energy-efficient windows. A smart upgrade modern window replacement offers cutting-edge features designed to conserve energy. Low-E glass coatings. These invisible coatings reflect heat back outside during summer months while keeping warmth indoors during cooler days. Double or triple panes. Multi-pane windows with gas fills between the layers provide superior insulation compared to single-pane glass. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames resist warping and offer excellent thermal performance. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, residents of the villages can reduce heat transfer, lower cooling costs, and create a more consistent indoor climate year-round. Doors that do more than open and close like windows. Exterior doors are crucial to your home's energy envelope. Traditional wooden doors or older metal designs may not seal properly, letting cool air escape and hot air creep in. Today's energy-efficient doors include insulated core materials. Foam-filled steel or fiberglass doors provide a thermal barrier. Tight seals and weather stripping. Advanced sealing systems eliminate drafts. ENERGY STAR certified models. Tested and proven to reduce energy loss. Replacing your entry or patio doors not only boosts efficiency but also enhances curb appeal and home security. Long-term savings add up. While energy-efficient windows and doors require an upfront investment, the long-term financial benefits are substantial. Homeowners in the villages can expect lower utility bills. Reduced energy waste means monthly savings that add up over time. Extended HVAC lifespan. Less strain on heating and cooling systems leads to fewer repairs and replacements. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to future buyers. These savings often offset the initial cost of replacement within a few years, making it a smart and practical investment. Comfort beyond the energy bills. The benefits of upgrading go beyond financial savings. With new windows and doors, you'll also enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, no more hot spots near windows or chilly drafts by the door. Noise reduction. Insulated glass and sturdy frames block out street and neighborhood noise. UV protection. Modern glass helps protect furniture and decor from fading. Enhanced security. Stronger materials and advanced locking systems add peace of mind. These improvements create a more comfortable, healthier, and quieter living environment for you and your family. Partnering with experts in the villages when it comes to installation, working with trusted local professionals makes all the difference. Proper fitting ensures maximum energy performance, while expert recommendations help you choose the right styles and materials for your home's design and needs. Local specialists understand Florida's climate and can provide solutions tailored to withstand heat, humidity, and heavy rains, ensuring your investment pays off for decades to come. Final thoughts. Window replacement and upgraded doors in the villages are more than just home improvements. They are investments in energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term savings. By sealing leaks, reducing energy waste, and creating a better living environment, these upgrades quickly prove their value. Whether you're looking to cut utility costs, Increase your home's value, or simply enjoy a more comfortable space, energy-efficient windows and doors are the perfect solution.